Jeremy is who I spoke to prior to coming, and he did a great job, being very straightforward and saying, hey, look, this is really a marketing seminar. We're going to really have a group of guys that and gals that can get up there and really talk to you about how to market and really put yourself and your office in a position from a cultural standpoint to really optimize, the marketing position of this. Probably one of the biggest thing is just, again, continuing to work on building that culture in the office from that first phone call all the way to the point of that report of findings, with just really building rapport and just, we can't emphasize enough the importance of the relationship. Because when people, I think, really, when you get to know people, when they trust you, then they're more likely to do business with you. Being able to partner with somebody like GAINSWave or FEMAWave, I feel like gives us, again, that, in a sense, that expertise.